Hey YouTube, it's Matthew to here, and today we're using a belt sander. As you can see, it is pretty big. There. Here's the safety equipment you will need: a respirator, gloves, and safety goggles or glasses. And you got to make sure it's well secured. And that's a detail sander as well there. Make sure your workpiece is well secured. If it's not, it may kick back at you so make sure it's secured. That's a belt sander. Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's Jed over there working on his thing. And we're just going to be using this today. Oi, Jed, come film it now. There's one of the things I made. Just filming this. Just look at me. So, yeah. Put your respirator on, or a mask. Put your glasses. Gloves. And your belt sander. And this is how you use it. So what you want to do, you want to make sure you don't start on it. I'll just demonstrate what happens when you start on it. And we'll go forward. That's why you never start on it. So it's well secured. Start. Come down slow. And do your slow motion. And that's the belt sander for today. Peace out.